Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Today I want to talk to you about Unibright, my friend, that we call UBT on CoinGecko. The price is about 26 cents and the 24 hours low and 24 hours high is about an average of 24 to 33 cents. And they have on a market cap over 38 millions and the trading volume is about 2.2 million. So the market cap is about rank 106 on CoinGecko. So I just read the white paper before to show this video. And what you need to know is Unibright, the unified framework for blockchain-based business integration. Let's go see the main point of this white paper. What is Unibright? The Unibright view of the blockchain, the promise of the blockchain technology, the potential of the blockchain technology, the Unibright mission. So this is very important if you want to know what's the mission or the core mission of Unibright. The business integration, what is a business integration, why and how should blockchain technology be used for business integration, and the conclusion. And the core and what is the most important is the Unibright concept. What they bring the value to the crypto market or the crypto space is the Unibright software architecture, the Unibright application level, the Unibright contract interface, template, use case, and smart contract, the Unibright smart contract lifecycle, defining Unibright conformant business workflow, generating, deploying, and maintaining Unibright conformant smart contract, exploring and creating Unibright conformant smart contract, and connecting and integrating Unibright conformant smart contract, and orchestrating Unibright workflow, cross-blockchain business integration, and the Unibright ecosystem. And they have the implementation detail, example of the blockchain-based business integration with the Unibright framework. So this you can go read because they have the get quotation for material, project pass approval, the shipping process, monitoring, and tracking resources during the production process. And you have many other invoice release, aircraft projection history, new hours, insurance claim processing, milestone-based project payment, and many more. So they have a lot of use case that you can be inspired if you want to use Unibright. And the outlook and what they did in the talk itself 2 years ago, and the reference of this white paper that is only 30 pages and is straightforward to read what you need to understand the core mission of Unibright. Now let's go jump to the main page of Unibright. Unibright, they have 5 main sections for this one and 4 other that I'm going to pass straightforward. So what you need to know, this on the main page you see the latest blog about Unibright, like as you can see the summary of AMA, 2 years since the ECO, great achievement and more to come. So as you can see on the last 2 years, this team is very direct to the goal, and they try to improve the technology to go get some money in the market of the crypto space and bring businesses into that space that want to tap into the blockchain technology, the baseline. So about what is Unibright? Unibright is a team of blockchain specialists, architects, developers, and consultants with 20 years experience. So they have a core mission. They develop enterprise application, invest in startup, build process modeling tools, and create a 360 ecosystem around tokenized items. So they do a lot of things. And the Unibright token, UBT, is an utility token needed for all projects and services offered in the ecosystem. So the smart contract creation, smart contract connection, tokenization, and workshops. So everything you want to accomplish on the website or the ecosystem, or if you want to talk with someone, you need to buy the token that we say UBT, to be a utility token, to be able part of the ecosystem. That's bring the value of a project when they have a purpose to use the token. It's not speculation. So this is the chronology. As you can see, SAP Solution, they work for the company since 1989 to 2000, and they do a lot of stuff. So you go see for yourself. This is a long chronology if you want to know more about this company. Who we work with. So they work with Microsoft partner, SAP. This is a two big name in the IT worlds, my friend. Zulix, Lufthansa, DB Friedrich, and many more. So consultant, we engage with Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, the ENIT BAT, IANA BAT, and the blockchain Bornsen Vansban. I don't know. I think it's a company that is reside on Germany. So the team core, they have many people that work for the core team here. And senior expertise advisor and ambassador and many more. If you want to get in touch, you have the phone number, emails, and address. Let's go jump to the first section that we see here, and it's pretty straightforward. They have a 4 place. Now we go to the Unibright solutions. So the Unibright solution, we turn ideas into working projects and businesses. So as an independent think, we develop strategy and practical solution for positively shaping the digital world, my friend. We support public institution, foundation, enterprise, research performing, institution and policy makers to master challenge of digitization and to make the most of many layers potential. We bring legal, technical, economic, and project management expertise to bear on this work. We support the whole process, turning ID, my friend, ID and visions into working projects and business model, identify relevant core aspect and structure information. With more than 20 years in the partnership of Microsoft, SRP, and blockchain company like Consensus, we well positioned with the industry. So they have a great ground already. They have really they have a good startup. They have already some clients. So this is cool, my friend. Method we use, as some commonly use approach we employ. Combining ID, think backwards, rapid phototyping, and take it online and incubation fund. Think tank as a services. As you can see, you already have some if you want to buy something, you can tap into that and buy right away with the native token UBT, or you pay in euro. First step workshop, 1 hour is expert call online, and 2 PG concept for next step. So if you want to just tap into your ID so you can get in touch with a company, you just need to pay in euro or the native token of UBT. Or if you want a deep dive workshop, so 5k euro or 15%. So this is the business model. So they make money with offer services for the company like this, and this is cool. This give a value of the utility token of UBT because people can buy the token or pay in euro. UBT referred to the Unibright token using UBT. With the first workshop and call, we will define the most efficient structure and setup of how to work together based on the client. So reference, example of expertise and testimonial. So already some company or people that work with this, they provided testimonials. So design and implementation of an ERP system, motion data progression and sport, track and trace system for the beverage industry. So as you can see, this is the first section, as you can see on the main page from the Unibright solution. Now go up to Unibright Ventures. So now we are in the Unibright solutions here in the second sections. So now we are in this Unibright solutions. So blockchain consulting and integrations. So as you can see, we are first moving in supporting business process with blockchain technology. 20 years of experience, harnessing the unique features of blockchain, DLT, and decentralized consensus, improving existing process and efficiency, transparency, and security. They offer consulting. Welcome to the blockchain. Which blockchain protocol to use, where to get development resources, how to integrate existing systems, how to monitor ongoing process. Consulting package. So you need, as you can see, they have a variety of packages. So this two package we already see in the first sections, and now they offer other blockchain package, small flowers, workshop, detailed concept, 70 other development. So they offer, it depends on the price, so it's 10K, and you pay 50 off if you use the native token of UBT. If you want the blockchain package medium, so you pay 50K euro, or 50 if you use the BUTs. So they give an incentive to the people to use the native token, and this is cool, my friend. So and if you want the blockchain package, there 100K, 50 off, and a special offer for university. So you need to go with the package or what you plan, but you need to discuss with an agent or someone in the company first before to commit to yourself to use the package, what you want to accomplish with blockchain technology with your company. So they're going to support the whole process, and this is cool, my friend. So they have reference tokenizing an ecosystem around the big transport company, compliance security token, marketplace, and farm-to-plate application. This is just some use case. And now let's go jump to the third sections, Unibright framework. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here, the framework, I think this is the framework. Okay. Unibright framework, the unified framework for blockchain-based integration. I just watched this demo walkthrough, and this is cool. It's a video of 17 minutes. They explain exactly they design a process, and the smart contract is worked by himself. Is a consolidated is on the smart contract. The smart contracts work is because you don't need to be knowledgeable about the smart contract and all the programmation. You just need to use the tools of Unibright, and you design your process, and you want to integrate, and the smart contract is writing, and then you publish into the blockchain you want. But on the test case, they publish it on the test blockchain of Ethereum. It's pretty cool, and they have other here. So this is about what is Unibright. You can download the white paper that I already bring here. It's about 30 pages. You're going to learn. What is cool so the problem, what is the problem today with the blockchain? Blockchain developers are raw and expensive. Smart contracts are complex, and any bug is critical. This is cool because a smart contract with a vulnerability can cost $1 million sometimes from a hack. It's difficult to update and deploy smart contract to different blockchain. This is really interoperability between blockchain. You need to solutions because you need to have one process because public blockchain don't talk together. But a lot of solutions out there exist for interoperability between blockchain. Companies don't understand how to phase the data from a blockchain into something useful for employee and customer. Team needs to integrate the blockchain into the existing ERP IT system. So as you can see, they have a variety of products here. The Unibright Business Workflow Designer, Unibright Contract Lifecycle Managers, the Unibright Explorer, and the Unibright Connector. You can see that here on the demo of the video that I watched. Probably have more sections, but this gives you a good grasp of what you can accomplish with Unibright. So they have a use case template. So as you can see, they have a variety of the challenge, Unibright, the media framework to demo. So you can see Unibright framework expansion, Unibright beer batch tracing, template 1, demo walkthrough, Unibright framework, SAP and blockchain. So you can see the media. So when you watch a video, you can understand exactly what you can do with Unibright. So you have the Unibright token, what you can do, the smart contract creation, smart contract connections, additional Unibright features, and incentive clients. So with the native token, you can accomplish this 4 core element. So the lock-in, here you can see how long the token is going to be locked into the blockchain. And you have the token calculator, how it's going to cost you. And then you have some reference, SAP-based approval process, chain request quotation, visual design workflow to trace business operations on-chain, and the contract. And the last sections, Unibright framework and frequency. Unibright frequency. So we offer services in all relevant stages of the tokenization process and integrate them into market and system landscape. So I'm going to invite you just to go read that about the project and services, token definition, token insurance, cash send services, exchange liquidity integration, derivatives and portfolio, tokenization as services. They have over the package here and the reference of all existing clients. So as you can see, they have the main web page, 4 sub element on 4 other web page or sub. They are subdomain, like you say, from the main web page. So as you can see, you go read the. I'm going to put the link of the four subdomain, the white paper, and the main web page. So if you like what I'm doing, follow me on my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. ShaySadashi.com for the love of crypto. See you on the next video and have a great day ahead, my friend. Ciao, ciao.